Hey gang, caffeine BS for June 19th, 2019. It's freaking hot. Just in case you didn't know that, it is hot. 110 in the shade in Northern California. Ah, no, this way. The name of this playlist is Caffeine and BS. That's coffee. I don't know. Thirsty? Oh. See, we had dinner. That's Poppy's Workshop Visits, Nana's Kitchen, meatloaf. This is dessert. That's good. Oops. Lost a piece. Wow. I checked my messages earlier, and Brian Block, or should I say Brian, over at BC Block, that's his channel, replied to my comment that rain this time in June, how the farmer's going to grow my food? He said, yeah, it's, a lot of stuff not going to get planted this year. I mean, look for the price of food to go up. There went, yeah. Uh, Last night I was out in the shop recording an actual shop vid, setting up my mill, going from lathe to mill, right? I just get the motor unit attached to the column, and I wonder why the drive belt is hanging off my drive. Went, nah. I mean, the 1995 vintage drive belt for a shearline lathe milling machine and or milling machine, depending on where you put that headstock. So I got to test something. No, this way, this way. Yeah, that's better. I got to test something I've been wanting to test. Can I Wi-Fi from the shop? Well, I needed something. Right? So this whole unit here, you know, I set it up out in the shop with the POV cam and all that, Anyway, I go to eBay. Fire up the Wi-Fi. Go to eBay. Mike's Wood and Metal Tools. I've bought from him before. He's quick, honest, and he has the stuff I want. Somehow he manages to be there when I search eBay for, you know. So I get to like him. Mike's Wood and Metal Tools he sells on eBay. I think you'll like him. If you're looking for shear line stuff, in the middle of the night, you decided you need this, and he pops up on the eBay listings, give him a try. What else? What else? What else? It's hot. Really, 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 really hot. So I'm gonna go for it.